Everywhere you go in this town, somewhere in Asia, you will see twins, 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 and twins. And in this video, you could see someone who actually look like you. Hi, you are welcome to this channel and my name is Victor. I make videos to show you the importance of people, nature, and how we can make this world a better place for everyone. Please subscribe to this channel and follow our pages for more interesting videos like this. In the village of Kodinhi, Kerala in India, there are over 400 sets of twins born to different families, and they are almost identical. Everywhere you go in this village, you will see so many people who look like one. In schools, the teachers look like one. In offices, the staff and the boss look the same. And all around the communities, you will see many families who look like one. And I think if you're looking for someone who actually looks like you will definitely find them here. But I mean your brothers or your sisters who are not there with you. India has one of the lowest twin rates in the world, but the twin town of Kodinhi is really defining this in another way, with over 400 sets of twins giving birth to over 2,000 families. And this is more higher than the global average rate of 1 twins per 80 births. Many doctors and scientists has made a lot of researches to know the reason behind the birth of so many twins in this town. But why so many people believe it could be because of the water and the food that this village eats. And most people said it is the temple of the Hindu goddess of Kali, which they refer as the god of fertility. But this is the truth. There is no actual reason for the regular birth of twins in this town. But despite the fact that no one has a good explanation, this entire village has been a fascinating place and has attracted the attention of the whole world. Many people travel far away to Kodinhi to see how generations to generations were giving birth as twins. Grandparents and even the parents are twins, and an entire classroom where the whole students look like one. This is not the only place in the world where you can see many twins, because in Ukraine there are over 100 sets of people who look like the same. In Nigeria, you will see so many people who are identical twins, but Kodinhi is the largest city of twins. This is why the government of India and other people has dedicated to give out a great help to ensure that this twin village is surviving as they become a tourism attraction in India. And I am going there to look for a real person who actually looks like me, because they are all important.